Start. Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am going to be playing Roblox again. And I am playing red and green and blue and yellow. Crazy game, destructive, and fun. I should be up there. Hello, sir. Odin has fixed the Doom Spires. Yay. He did literally nothing. To certain Doom Spires. Whoa! Who destroyed this? I need to get up. Let me up there. Da 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 da. It's like a really fun game. You're just blowing stuff up. Really fun. Of course, one of my favorite things to do to destroy Doom Spires is to drop a bomb down the staircase after I've gone up it. Drop the bomb. Run up the staircase. Watch as it destroys. And just run. Let me up. Now, it is time to break this. Whee! Jump. Mwah.
Nose.
And now, when the Doom Spires are knocked over, they will actually, the tops will actually fall. Whoa. Taking out an entire piece of Doom Spire. Fun. Not taking out Doom Spire, not fun. Destroying Doom Spire, fun. What is not fun? Not destroying Doom Spire. Fun, fun, fun. Ah! He fixed all the severely damaged ones only. Maybe he fixed the bridges too. Whee! Now I need to run. Loosen up all of these bits.
What?
Paintball. Wall. Wall. That did not work as I expected. Run! Is that you?
Yeah.
Right there?
Maybe. I'm alive.
Mm-hmm. One. And now to John. The Doom Spire! The red Doom Spire has collapsed. Now we must destroy the green Doom Spire.
Not
Use
the green!
Safest,
no!
Use the
Not
safest
the
thing.
green!
I've destroyed my own Doom Spire.
Oh, why?
Because it's fun to destroy stuff. Mwahaha! Ah! He killed me! How dare he? He killed me. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. Whee! Watch it fall! From the literal edge of the wood. Dang! Did you notice the half of your Doomspire that fell?
I did.
Just like half of it literally fell. Hello.
No, what are you doing?
Well, actually, just a bit of it. The Doom Spires must fall! Every single one of them! As they are annihilated completely by our hero is just launching rockets at them. Watching them fall.
Someone fixed the game.
Odin. I think he's like the maker of this game or something. I blew myself up with my own rocket. Okay, so, I think he fixed the yellow Doomspire. No, he fixed the blue one. Wait, yeah. Oh, wait, no. He only fixed the yellow one. I know the blue one. In the meantime... Oof! I died. Your tower is maintaining a magic balance. How is it doing it, sir?
Mine?
Yes, yours.
Yeah. No!
I guess it's just your tower.
It is. It's pretty special.
Da 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 da.
If my tower goes down, I go down with it.
Guess what? Let me up.
Well,
I want to get in this sideways Doomspire. And now I want to make it crumble. Crumble! 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 You know what? I might as well help you. Bang.
help me.
Bang. Bang. Did you know that bombs are the most destructive thing in this game?
Are they?
Yep.
You can't reach the blue tower. You're doing a bomb.
Actually, you can walk off your thing. You won't die from fall damage. Woo! But of course, if you're too close, which is actually quite a way away from it, you will get killed. Now, whee! Bunk. Now it's time to use the second most destructive tool in this game.
What is that?
The rocket launcher. Ha! 2 more shots and the Doomspire, and the red Doomspire will be fully knocked over. I think.
Gosh.
Actually, multiple shots. Come on, knock over! Oh, ready! Now it's going to fall. Come on. Boom. Boom. Boom.
I don't know how to use a bomb without that.
It's
When I go down, I explode.
you pretty much die by your own bomb, no matter how close it is to you.
Oh gosh.
You need to put a bomb down on the white so that the red Doomspire will fall. Boing! Now it's time. Let's knock over my Doomspire. You. The red Doomspire has fallen. The yellow Doomspire has fallen. The blue Doomspire needs to be fallen. And then the green Doomspire will be fallen. Eventually. I killed myself. By accidentally hitting something that was really close. You have defeated that, correct?
Aha.
Now it is time to destroy this Doomspire. Oof. I blew myself up. I should be flying. Don't.
Why are you invincible?
Because I have this sparkly shield around me. This sparkly shield means that I'm invincible. It's a sparkly shield.
Invincible?
Because I have a sparkly shield. And the sparkly shield
right.
makes me invisible. Invincible. Invincible. Mwah! A piece of... How did I get... Wait, no, I got smashed. I got smashed, of course. Okay, so the green and red Doom Spires were not fixed, and neither was the yellow Doom Spire.
Wow.
Sadly.
Just the blue.
Now, to make your Doom Spire crumble even more. Crumble. Ah, crumble. I command it to crumble. I will make this Doom Spire crumble after it has been knocked over. Crumble! It must crumble. Or else!
You're just adding insult to injury.
What?
You're just adding insult to injury. It's already destroyed. Just let it be.
No! I must watch it crumble. And then I'll move on to mine. Mine is already destroyed. It needs to crumble. I crumbled the Doom Spire. Oof! Now watch. As destruction is still spread across. My body is still there. My body! My body! Please do not leave me. It is flying around. It's gone. Okay, so the blue one wasn't fixed.
Aha.
Killed him. First, we must destroy our own Doom Spires. Boom, boom, boom! Go boom. Destruction of Doom Spire. 100% success. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon. Tackle. Let's see if I can get a clear shot. And yes! I hit. But I need to get it up. Drop and jump. Whee! Boing, boing, boing. So much destruction. I is happy. Boom, 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 boom. Watch the Doom Spire crumble as it is disintegrated into its former pieces. Mwahaha! My Doom Spire has fallen, sir. Well, that will be the end of our video, and I will see you next time. Whoa, fun. Whee! Boom. Remember to like and subscribe.